Welcome to Perfect Day at CocoCay. Perfect Day at CocoCay is separated into two sides, the chill side and the thrill side. The Thrill Waterpark makes up almost all of the thrill side, along with the zip line and the up, up, and away hot air balloon, both which are not included in your water park admission. The centerpiece of the Thrill Waterpark is the Daredevil's Tower. Also in the Thrill Waterpark are Splash Summit, the Adventure Pool, and the Wave Pool. There are many lockers inside the park that are free to use, as well as showers and restrooms. Life jackets are available as well for the wave pool and are complimentary. There are also towels available for checkout at the towel station. And if you're looking for quick comfort food, then the Snack Shack has you covered. Quick tip, there is a secret menu item, a chicken parm sandwich, which is the chicken sandwich with mozzarella sticks and marinara sauce. Off to our first stop, Daredevil's Tower and its 7 water slides. Dueling Demons and Manta Racers both have 2 slides. At the base of the tower there is a lengthy rules and requirements sign for the slides you can read, but it basically says if you die, it's not their fault. Alright, we're walking up the stairs for the Mansa Racers. We're gonna jump on them and see how this is. First water slide on the water tour. Don't cheat, don't be jumping the gun.
Okay, make sure you conserve some legs.
You got your legs crossed?
On 3, 2, 1, and go.
Take it in.
Alright, so I won round 1. This time. Now it's round 2, you gotta figure out which one we're doing next.
Three, two, one, go. That was kind of psychedelic. I'm ready. Cross the legs, cross the arms. That's awesome. How was yours? Really? All right. We good? Yep. Way faster. Yeah.
Forgot that feeling. The sun in my face, it's so well needed. Life will take care of the rest. Biking alone in the sunset, through the canal, so the mindset I needed. Yeah, I needed.
Alright. Oh, you stayed out?
Yeah. I stayed in.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Thank you. Uh-oh, we're stuck. I'm going backwards. I think about died on that.
Did you bust your butt? Is that what happened?
No, just going backwards up that big thing.
Oh, did you not know how to do that? I should have told him.
Well, no, I knew I was going, but I did not. You know, I was going backwards down that big drop and then backwards up the big thing, so.
Yeah, same here.
Whew, that was crazy. All right, so we had a little lunch. Got a snack from the snack shack, chicken sandwich and fries. It's pretty good, actually, probably better than actually put on the ship, which is kind of fun.
Yeah.
Now we're ready to cool down and we're gonna go check out the wave pool. Let's go. That's pretty cool. They've actually set the wave pool up such that it makes a breaking wave. It's kind of cool. So we are here in the wave pool, enjoying the time. Water is beautiful.
It is, it's so nice.
What? It's warmer than the lagoon over on the other side.
I hope we're not making y'all seasick.
Because literally we're floating in the waves. Speaking of floating though, I have to say, watching this, it's pretty windy today.
Oh my god.
Watching that balloon, a tethered hot air balloon does not do well in high winds because it leans, because it's tethered. A normal hot air balloon will just stay and float in the wind. But this one, it leans, and since it's on a tether, it's like tied. So that platform is tilting a fair amount. If you watch it behind us, I'll try to hold the video flat for you guys. But it was a little bit worse earlier.
That may be your thing.
It's moving.
If you like the pirate ship at the carnival that does this, you might like the balloon doing this.
But definitely not for the faint of heart or people that could get seasick. That'll make it happen. So we've done some slides, we've done the wave pool. Really a lot of fun. Well worth the money we spent. We got a discount on it because we booked before the cruise, which was important. And one thing we did find out, that I talked to one of the ladies that was
Concierge?
yeah, no, not the concierge, the lady at the ticket, like the ticket booth or whatever, when you walk in. And she said if you do book one of the water park cabanas, it's actually for up to 6 people, and you get the water park admission included. So if you got 6 people coming, and you're gonna all book a water park pass for the full day and pay the full day, you might want to look into just getting a cabana, because you might actually save money.
And it's full service. It's like VIP.
Yeah, you get the cabana concierge and everything.
Beautiful.
So yeah, so keep that in mind. What about you? What would you guys do for your first thing when you get to the water park? Leave it in the comments below. The adventure pool lets you channel your inner ninja warrior. There is a rock wall over one end of the pool and dual sliding ropes where you can swing into the pool. There are several water challenges to try to get across the pool dry, with cargo nets and ropes to help. Don't worry, the water does provide a soft landing and a refreshing way to cool off. So just a quick tip, if you are doing the water park, one key thing is if you do have water shoes, bring them for sure. They don't allow flip-flops on the slides, but what they do, we do see people wearing is water shoes.
And the pavers are very, very hot from being in the sun. And as well, I scratched my toe on the side of a paver, so it is, you know, very much a concern, especially like if you're a diabetic or something like that. You have to take very good care of your feet. For sure, bring water shoes. That's one key tip for doing the water park at CocoCay.
For sure.